Welcome once again, my dear student, and today we are going to start next interesting chapter of chemistry, that is coordination compound. This is your unit 9 and coordination compound. The name of chapter is coordination compound. See children, basically what happens in coordination compound, here a transition metals. Okay, transition metals are D block elements, or you can define transition elements. They are called metal basically because many of them are comprises of metal. That's why they are called transition metals. So transition metals can be defined as which have partially filled d orbital in their ground state or in any one of their oxidation state. These types of elements are called transition metals. Okay, so in coordination compound what happens children, this metal atom or metal ions are bound by a number of anions or neutral molecules. Okay, these complex compound, in modern terminology they are called coordination compound. Okay, this is your two important terms are there, metal and anions or ions. Okay, see children, complex compound are a special class of compound in which metal atoms or ions are bound to a number of anion or neutral molecules. Okay, next we will see that what are these anion species, what are the neutral molecules. In next video I will explain you all these things. Okay, and in this modern terminology these compounds are called coordination compound. See children, this coordination compound is very challenging in modern inorganic chemistry. It's have a various application in various fields. For example, in case of metallurgical process, analytical chemistry, industrial catalyst. Okay, it is widely used in textile industries, dyeing industries. It is used to, it play a very vital role in electroplating process as well as medical chemistry. So in various fields this coordination compound used in a wider area. Okay, even hemoglobin, chlorophyll, these all are the example of coordination compound. Vitamin B12, these all are coordination compound. In hemoglobin, the central metal ion will be iron. In your chlorophyll, the central metal ion will be magnesium, and in vitamin B12, the central metal ion will be cobalt. Okay. So coordination compound or complex compound are a type of addition compound. Okay. Addition compound, later you will see how they are formed by addition. The complex compound are formed by the addition of molecules. Okay, so this is all about your children coordination compound. Basically two important terms are there, that is metal ion which is bound by any neutral molecule or anion. Okay, here we will discuss the difference between double salt and coordination compound. Okay, so I will start with example. Okay children, double salt and coordination compound, very important for your examination point of view. Okay, double salt children, one of the very widely we used, they are called double salt, that is alum or fitkiri. Okay, you are knowing the formula of alum, it is potassium aluminum sulfate. Okay, or you can say Mohr salt also. I think here in last you can see the formula of Mohr salt. Okay, it is a double salt, that is ferrous ammonium sulfate, or you can see alum, that is potassium aluminum sulfate. Okay, so children, here when I will dissolve this double salt in water, okay, when I will dissolve this alum in water, basically what will happens, they will, suppose I am talking about alum, and when I will dissolve it in water, it gives K plus, aluminum 3 plus, sulfate and water. And see children, when I will do the test of potassium, aluminum or sulfate present in the solvent, literally they will give positive test. Okay, why they will give positive test? Because in the solvent, in water, potassium, aluminum is present. So they, obviously if the ions are present, they will give the positive test. On the other hand, when I will dissolve coordination compound, okay, when I will dissolve coordination compound, okay, they are the molecular compounds which retain their identity when dissolved in water. How they will retain? Just see here. When potassium ferrocyanide, see children, this is a formula of potassium ferrocyanide. So when potassium ferrocyanide is dissolved in water, it does not give the usual test of Fe2 plus and Cn minus. Okay, when I will dissolve it, it will form K plus. K plus will be there. While this complex compound, which is comprises of, right now I told you, it comprises of metal ion with any neutral species, neutral molecule or anionic species. Here you can see the central metal ion will be iron, Fe2 plus, and this anionic species Cn minus is your ligand. Okay, which have at this ligand, the Cn minus will act as ligand, which have an extra pair of electron. Okay, so this is a complex compound. Okay, this is your complex compound where metal ion is present with bounded by anion. Okay, so when I will dissolve it in water, what will happen, children? This complex compound will retain its identity, and it is not going to split into Fe2 plus and 6Cn minus. Suppose if I want to test these ions, so it will give a negative test because this Fe2 plus and Cn minus is not present at all in a solvent. Why? Because it is a complex compound, a single entity is there. Okay, it is not going to split into Fe2 plus and Cn minus. So this is a very important characteristic is there of coordination compound. See children, double salt. See children, double salt and coordination compound. What happens in case of double salt, that is Mohr salt, alum are the example of double salt. Okay, and coordination compound, n numbers of coordination compound we are going to study in this chapter. And one example that I have shown you right now, it is potassium ferrocyanide. Here you can see they exist only in solid state, means in solid state they will maintain their identity, and when they will dissolve and they get dissociate into constituent species in their solution. Okay, as I have shown you in the example, it will get dissolved into K plus and sulfate minus. They lose their identity in the dissolved state. Okay, because they are giving the test of potassium plus and sulfate minus. Their property are essentially the same as those of the constituent species. Okay, here you can see both will give the test of potassium. Okay, reactant as well as product. Their properties are essentially same. Okay, discussed. In double salt, metal atom and ion exhibit normal valency. Whatever, suppose potassium normal valency, it will be +1. Okay, sodium also it will be +1. For iron it will be +2. Normal oxidation valency will be there. While in case of coordination compound, they retain their identity in both cases, even in solid state as well as in solution state. They do not lose their identity when they are dissolved. Okay, they maintain their identity. Their property are different from those of the constituent. Yes, right now I have explained you. For example, K4FeCN6 do not show the test of Fe2 plus and Cn minus. Okay, because they have a property that they retain their identity. And last one is children, in coordination compound, the number of negative ions, that is Cn minus in this example you can see, or the molecule surrounding the central metal atom is beyond its normal valency, means they exhibit different valency. Okay, it will be away from its normal value. Okay, the coordination compounds, in coordination compound, the number of negative ions or molecules surrounding the central metal is beyond its normal valency, means they will expand. The oxidation state will not be normal, as because you have seen that in S block element or P block element they exhibit their normal valency, but in case of coordination compound you will see that there will not be any normal valency of metal ion. It will be somewhat different from their normal valency. Okay, I will explain you in the next video that how they differ, how the valency it shows differ value as compared to the normal valency. Okay, so this is your coordination compound children. You can see this is a metal ion and this is ligand, and this as the central metal ion in the complex ion form dative or covalent bond, coordinate covalent bond. Okay, and you can see they are surrounding, these ligands are surrounding this metal